Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a paver sealing this morning. A new development over here in Riverview, actually Wimauma, in just outside of Sun City. But at any rate, we got a driveway and a back patio here. So let me walk around and show you what we got. All right, it's not a real big driveway here, 3 cars, but it's not real deep. So we have brand new pavers that are, I think he said 8 months, a little less than a year. But you can see it's getting green algae here already, and getting some weed growth up along here, a little front step area. I'll take you around back and show you the patio. Alright, here's a little patio area back here. We already did our 3-step cleaning process on this one back here, so it's just drying. We'll let this set up overnight. Okay, so that's our little project here for this morning. It's supposed to rain in a couple hours, so we get this cleaning knocked out. But yeah, as you can see, it's a brand new development. Houses aren't even built around it yet. These guys are still working on the house next door. All right, so let's get moving. All right, so we're all wrapped up here for today. Did our 3-step cleaning process on the front and the back. Got everything taped off, so we're in good shape. So we'll let this dry up overnight, come back in the morning, and put the sand down and lay the sealer. All right, we'll be back in the morning. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. We did our sanding and laid the sealer down today. We had 2 coats of Hurricane CAT5 on the front, and we ended up doing 3 coats on the back. These pavers were just drinking it, sealer in. But let me walk you around and show you what it looks like now. Yes, beautiful color enhancement on these. Nice shine. Sand levels are perfect. Back patio. It's really good. All right, well, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. If these are the kind of results you're looking for in your pavers, reach out, give us a call, 813-853-3557. We will see you at the next job.